Hello, I will show how you can use IRONCAD for configuration. In this case, drag and drop from catalog, and I will use a product from FlexCube as an example. They have a very modular system for production equipment. I delete this one, and I show that we have catalogs in IRONCAD on the right side, and I can start with a sub-catalog with frames. So I go back here from my sub-catalog and go into wheel boxes and drag and drop that. And because we have these attachment points, I can just drag and drop and it locates the position itself. If I drag and drop wheels here, and then if I change my mind, I can control drag another wheel and it replaces the first one I put there. So you can change your mind very easily and modify the configuration later on. So okay, now that's it, and now I can go in here and choose things like shelves, and I can do a last configuration with towing equipment. So that's it. Now I have done a complete configuration for a potential customer order in IRONCAD, and this is very easy to just send out tools there, and I choose query. I can send out a bill of material in different format, which shows what I have in my screen. Another example, I go here to the tank, drag and drop a version of a tank. I have 3 sizes. I choose the first one, and I can work with drag and drop, and I hit OK, and it find the position and resize itself to the right size. And I can also test this bottom to the tank, and it's a flat version. Let's see now. Oh, sorry, lid, I should drop it there. Okay. I need to do right. Okay, and then I have the bottom, which is a flat version here, and I may change my mind and have a conical bottom, this conical version. And I want to continue with a pipe in the bottom, and I also want to have 90 degrees pipe, but I can also change my mind, delete that one, and I can use the weld neck as an example. And furthermore, I want to use the leg assembly here, and it's very fast to position itself in the correct places, and the final piece at the bottom. And now I have a complete solution which I can modify by right-click. I have different fixed values, so I can change my mind between those 3, and then I can also go into the edit mode and see if I want to add another version except those 3 that's already there. So that's a very fast version of customer configuration. And it's very easy to also explain that if this is an assembly, I want to save it as an assembly, I can right click and choose assemble, and I can call it 1, 2, 3, 4 or whatever. And I can also drag this to the catalog. So next time, if I want to start with this, I can drag it in and just right click here and choose another design variation. So it's really easy and fast to also store different objects in the catalog. And another example I have here is I have this layout palette, and I do like this rack, and I can copy this, or I can move it around with tribal, of course, and I can drag in another support here. Okay, there it is, and that's it. But I can also modify in another way. I can do a stretch command. I put the stretch plane in here, and this direction 1000 millimeter. I will stretch these objects, those parts, and I will also move the part to the left. Very easy and fast to design and create customer configurations in IRONCAD. Thank you.